started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
It's the Cheapskate. Okay, so we're gonna do a swap. Got my swap ready to go. I met a lady on YouTube about a couple months ago, and this was her idea. We're swapping a Memorydex tray and cards and goodies. This is something that crafters do. So let's see how to do it. We're gonna make a Memorydex tray, and we're gonna fill the box with goodies, and I'll tell you the way to get the cheapest shipping rate. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to show you how to make a Memorydex. And if you don't know what that is, it's like a beautiful tray that you can put memory cards in, and your friends' names and birthdays can be on them, and you just randomly send each other goodies. It's mostly for crafter friends, and you can meet them all over the country. So here we go.
I'm the classy cheapskate, and I've got an offer from Keisha the crafter, who is a real proffer.
What's a proffer? It's like a professional swapper.
She wants to swap a Memorydex, a crafty delight.
Cut. Enough singing. We have to make this thing now.
Listen up, folks. You do not have to use a laser machine or a Cricut machine to make your Memorydex cards, okay? I have a free template that I created, no charge, because I love free stuff and I love helping people, at jamie-j.com. So check it out, save yourself some time, and you'll get your cards the right size. Okay, moving on.
Find out how you can get a mystery package from me later on in this video, but first, let's make a Memorydex tray. Here is how to make the base of the tray. You'll need a piece of chipboard, which is thin pressed cardboard. So if you have a thin shipping box saved, you can use that. Be sure not to use a brand new priority box though, because they are given out for free for shipping purposes, not for making crafts. Cut your cardboard to 11 inches by 7 inches. Score each edge at 1 inch in. Then cut away the corners. Fold at the score lines. Scoring means to create a slight cut or dent, but not all the way through the material. Now cut a piece of decorative paper to 12 inches by 8 inches. Glue the paper onto the cardboard and press down. Draw marks at all corners as shown. Ignore the one stray line that I drew. I was just working quickly. Now cut at those lines. You will fold those pieces over the edge of the cardboard and glue down. Take each corner flap. Glue one to the inside and one to the outside. Repeat this for all 4 corners. Now we will cut a piece of decorative paper for the interior. I cut mine to 10 7/8 inches by 6 7/8 inches. You want to crease the paper at 1 inch in from all edges. Fold at the crease marks. Now cut away the corners. I left a little flap to be extra fancy, but you don't have to. Glue the paper to the interior. Be sure to press down well. You can use a credit card if you want to make sure the creases get pressed in tightly. Now grab a Memorydex card. If you don't have one, you can print one for free at jamie-j.com. Get 2 thin dowel rods or long straws. Cut them to the length of the box. Center your index card at one edge and mark where each dowel rod will be glued. Do this for both ends. Now glue the rods carefully into place. I covered mine with mesh tubing. I thought it was a great idea when I came up with it. It really jazzes up the dowel rods. Here's the most expensive part of my box. I paid $4.99 for these at temu.com. Keisha really wanted feet on the boxes, and I have to admit I agree. It really makes the boxes special. You can make yours out of clay though and paint them gold or silver, for example. It's now time to decorate the box. So let's go to town, see what you have in your craft supply bins, and start making some magic happen. I'm adding rhinestone trim in colors that I think Keisha will love. I bought stickers from temu.com for about 2 cents a piece, so there's no need to be shy about using them up. But I don't like clutter, so I'm not using too many. It's good to chat a little bit with your swap partner before making your project, unless you want to just completely surprise someone. I have some purple flowers that I will add. It's the special touches that matter. A gemstone here, a gemstone there, and more butterflies. Keisha loves butterflies. I think this looks good, so it's time to package the tray and goodies. I'm using a box that is just a little bigger than the tray because I don't want much shifting during transit. I will layer the bottom with goodies and place the tray on top. I'm also adding some colorful filler to jazz things up even more. If you can keep your box less than 1 pound, you can use first class mail, which will save you a ton of money. My shipment cost me $6.44. Keisha spent over $34 for her shipment to me. I removed a heavy ornamental rock to get my weight down, and also a paper punch. It saved me about $5. Hit the music.
Well, I saved on shipping, kept the package light, used first class mail, and I got it right.
If your package is over 1 pound, let's say it's 2 pounds, you could literally ship it in 2 boxes for less sometimes. So you could just do 2 first class packages instead of 1 priority or ground shipment. Plus your receiver will think you are even more generous to be shipping 2 prizes. Keisha could have shipped 5 or 6 first class packages for the price that she paid for 1. She usually uses boxes from around the house for shipping, but unfortunately didn't have any on hand this time and ended up paying premium price at the counter. So it's good to save packing materials from shipments. Also keep in mind that the person you are exchanging with may have allergies. You want to make sure everything is free from dust and also pet, smoke, perfume, and mildew odors. Tape your box shut securely with packing tape and head off to your local post office. Get ready to receive something fun in the mail from your swap friend. Currently, if you'd like to receive a surprise mystery box from me, click the join button and sign up for level 2 membership. I'll send you a box of goodies from my studio. It can include anything from craft supplies to custom creations from my videos, signed art, props, and more. I'll be happy to load you up with prizes. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate, and God bless.